Solo and Strong was born in the quiet moments, the moments after everything fell apart. It came from the nights when you had to rebuild yourself alone. From the mornings when you didn't even recognize your own life anymore. Solo and Strong is not a brand. It's not a slogan. It's a mission. A mission to help women rebuild their lives with clarity, structure, and strength, especially after the kind of heartbreak that changes you forever. This movement exists for the woman who had to start over. The woman who had to pick up the pieces with no guide, no support, and no direction. Solo and Strong is here to give her what she never had, a system. A structure, a way out of the chaos. And today, we begin with the first doorway. If you're watching this, you've survived something that tried to break you. Heartbreak, divorce, betrayal, a full emotional collapse, and now you're standing in the middle of your life, trying to figure out how to put everything back together. This ebook is the guide I wish someone handed me when I had to rebuild from zero. If you're watching this, you've survived something that tried to break you. Heartbreak, divorce, betrayal, a full emotional collapse, and now you're standing in the middle of your life, trying to figure out how to put everything back together. This ebook is the guide I wish someone handed me when I had to rebuild from zero. If you're not motivation, not fluff, not you got this, a real system, a real structure, a real way out. If you're tired of the chaos, tired of the mess, tired of feeling lost in your own life, this is your beginning. This is your comeback. This is the beginner's guide to getting your life organized. After heartbreak, divorce and breakdown. If you're ready to rebuild your life with clarity, if you're ready to organize your mind, your home, your routines, and your identity, the link is below. Download the ebook, start your reset, and step into the version of yourself you've been trying to reach. Solo and Strong is here to walk with you, step by step, page by page, day by day. Your new beginning starts now. Beginner's Guide to Getting Your Life Organized After Heartbreak, Divorce and Breakdown, Solo and Strong Official Launch. This is the first ebook in the Solo and Strong system, the guide for anyone who is starting from zero, rebuilding after emotional collapse, and trying to organize their life again with clarity and strength. This isn't a story. This isn't motivation. This is a step-by-step survival guide for the woman who had to restart her entire life after heartbreak, divorce, betrayal, or a full breakdown. Inside this guide, you'll learn how to stabilize your mind when everything feels chaotic. Rebuild your daily structure from scratch. Organize your home, schedule, and energy. Stop emotional spirals from controlling your day. Create routines that support healing. Protect your peace and rebuild your identity. Move forward with clarity, not confusion. This ebook is for the woman who had to become strong alone. The woman who had to rebuild herself quietly. The woman who is ready to take her life back, step by step. Follow Solo and Strong for more clarity tools, healing systems, and life rebuilding guides. This is your beginning. This is your comeback. This is your organized life, rebuilt from the ground up. Solo and Strong, for the ones who rise again.